Hi, welcome to my channel. Today will be another bag review. I have unboxing to do with you guys, and stay tuned. Is a wallet on chain known as Walk. So I got it when they've already done the price increase this January. So I'll be unboxing the bag with you guys, and let's find out which one I got. So it comes with this box, and of course with the ribbon, and it came with this flower, and it comes with this I think it's a care manual. So the bag comes with this slit pocket, and it comes with a zipper. This is how wide it is, and it comes with this logo, CC logo, on the side, and it has another slip pocket right here, so you can fit a ton of cash or coin, and also it has a credit card slot. I also have a zipper here, and it's pretty deep all the way, and it has this pocket back here too. So this is the wallet on chain. When you compare it with this small flap Chanel bag, see the comparison. It's like less than half the size. So that is all. If you have any question, please put it in the comment box, and like my video and subscribe if you like this kind of video. It really helps me so I can do more of this kind of video. Thank you.
It's my only solution.